the sign up. As you can see, you just have to write your email. So like this example .com at gmail.com at gmail.com. The reason why I don't use my email right now is because this is a sensitive information to share for me. I don't know about others, so you just hit the sign up for GitHub. What's up, everyone? Yeah, this is your boy Untitled. So I'm back. You're watching Mindset Designs. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, our YouTube channel is all about design and programming. So if you are new and you like to learn more about design and programming, you need to smash that like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks everyone for the returning views. We appreciate it. So thanks very much. So without wasting your data and time, so let's jump right into today's video or topic. So see you on the next. So welcome to my screen. So we're gonna go to Chrome or Google, and then we're gonna type out. Sorry about that. GitHub. GitHub.com. So GitHub, it helps you like if you want like jobs, you can list out your project, your past project as a developer. This is only for developers or programmers. So mine is automatically logged in. Let me sign out first so that I can show you how you can register your account. So sign out. So let's try to explore their website and see what's going on. So we've got GitHub, and then my connection today is very slow. Thanks to Rain 4G SIM card. Thanks very much for the poor connection. So where the world builds, okay. The reason for that, I think, for the statement is because everyone is using GitHub. I think like almost every developer, in fact every developer uses GitHub to showcase their product on what they have done, because you just like post your repo or your project out on GitHub, and then when you apply for jobs, you like you leave your link to your GitHub account. So here, as you can see, millions of developers and companies build and share and collaborate their projects on the GitHub. As you can see, GitHub is very big, guys. You have to have it if you are a developer and you are serious about your career. So you have to register on it. As you can see, these are the largest companies that also collaborate on GitHub, such as Stripe, Pinterest. We know even Spotify, also Ford. As you can see, there's code, there's collaboration. When you are working in teams, as you can see, it's very helpful, and then it helps it helps a person to not like if they made a mistake, they will know that they can be able to clone their projects online on the GitHub, guys. So you better check it out. So I'll leave the rest to you guys to find out more about it. So I'm gonna click the sign up. As you can see, you just have to write your email. So like this example .com at gmail.com at github.com. The reason why I don't use my email right now is because this is a sensitive information to share for me. I don't know about others, so you just hit the sign up for GitHub, and then here you'll be able to create your account. So you just put in like your details. As you can see, username, let me just, your username, password. The email will be auto generated because you filled it out on the last step that I did. And then the email preferences, and then you need to verify your account by doing a simple puzzle. So as you can see, you just have to click the correct one. So as you can see, it's just a simple thing, and then you just have to create your account. So let me log in or sign in to show you how it is on the other side. So that's my username. You can check me out. As you can see, I'm working on different projects at the moment. These are all like freelance projects. They are not like a permanent job or something. I'm still doing freelance, and maybe I'll do a tutorial on the next video on how to start freelancing in your local area, not online, because online there are many requirements that you have to do. Like for example, on I think I forgot this website that I registered on. There are some expectations that you have to fulfill first before you qualify to even make money, and they even charge you the fees for it. So I don't recommend that. I recommend it for developers who have already made it to the industry, because you won't cry for those fees that they charge you. But if you are like me and you are still trying to get into the industry, I don't recommend that. So how do you do a repo? You just click on new, and then create a repo. You can name it anything that you want. Like let's say I'm working on a project for baking website. I can say baking, just baking, and then I can make it to be public. So if you want it to be private, you can make it to be private so that no one else can like access your work. So as you can see, I just click create repo. As you can see, I'll in fact do an in-depth video about how to do this and how to get started on these the GitHub account. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. So subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. So please stay tuned. So see you on the next side.